Did you know there are critical details hidden in the car dash cameras that most people overlook? Today, we're uncovering 5 things you didn't know about the REDTIGER Dash Cam. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect, where we dive deep into the products you're curious about. Let's take a closer look at the REDTIGER Dash Cam and see what makes it stand out. Right out of the gate, the REDTIGER F7MP boasts stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording. With astonishing clarity, you'll capture every road sign and vehicle plate effortlessly, ensuring nothing important gets overlooked. However, we must note that the 4K recording might take up more storage than you think, especially on extended trips. One of the standout features is its exceptional night vision. This dash cam uses a high-performance lens and HDR technology, meaning even in low-light situations, you'll have crystal-clear footage. But remember, no technology is perfect. There's always a chance of glare from headlights that might affect clarity. Connecting your dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi is seamless. With the REDTIGER app, viewing and editing your footage is a breeze, which is a fantastic feature for those who love to share their adventures. Just keep in mind that some users have reported connectivity issues on certain devices. Another critical feature is the GPS functionality that tracks your route in real time. This is especially beneficial for providing additional evidence in case of an accident. However, make sure to check the accuracy occasionally, as some users have experienced discrepancies between the recorded speed and actual speed. The REDTIGER Dash Cam never misses a moment with its loop recording and built-in G sensor to lock important footage during sudden collisions. Plus, it has a 24-hour parking monitor. Just be aware that a separate hardware kit is necessary for optimal functionality during parking. In conclusion, the REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP shines when it comes to versatility and recording quality, making it a strong contender for anyone in the market for a dash cam. However, weigh these fantastic features against the potential drawbacks we've discussed. If you're looking for quality and reliability, this might just be the right choice for you. But as always, do further research to ensure it fits your needs perfectly.